Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into the whirlwind of over 1,000 trades in Trump's June stock disclosure with a notable focus on VIG. We explore Nvidia's decision to raise AI server prices by over 15% amid soaring memory chip costs. Despite a staggering $40 trillion debt mountain, Morgan Stanley reveals that corporate borrowing shows no signs of slowing down. We also discuss Iran's economic challenges as Besant warns of an endgame and Tehran threatens Gulf oil exports. Discover the divide between hedge funds and mutual funds on AI investments according to Goldman Sachs, and find out which 6 stocks are favored by both groups. Additionally, CBNI is expanding its African presence with a new FPSO contract in Côte d'Ivoire. Stay tuned after this short ad break for more insights into these headlines and their implications. In June, President Trump executed more than 1,000 securities trades valued between $78.1 million and $263.1 million. This included significant activity in Berkshire Hathaway, Visa, and Palantir. The White House states these investments are independently managed without Trump's influence. In 2025, he made over 21,000 trades valued up to $1.86 billion.
Nvidia's server prices, featuring AI chips, will increase by over 15% next year. This impacts systems with Vera Rubin and Grace Blackwell chips. The rise is due to soaring memory chip costs amid high demand for AI infrastructure. Major tech firms like Microsoft and Google have been informed.
The U.S. federal debt has hit $40 trillion, but corporate borrowing and household spending are still strong, according to Andrew Sheets from Morgan Stanley. Despite rising interest rates, corporate and household finances remain resilient. The S&P 500 has increased by 13% this year, even with higher bond yields. Key concerns include future earnings growth amid high borrowing costs.
The United States is set to announce significant sanctions against Iran, intending to sever all economic connections. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent describes it as the greatest financial offensive and cautions nations against engaging in trade with Iran. In response, Tehran threatens to stop Gulf oil exports. Analysts warn of possible effects on global trade, particularly concerning China.
Hedge funds are more invested in artificial intelligence than mutual funds, according to Goldman Sachs. In the second quarter, hedge funds bought Microsoft and Amazon but reduced their holdings in other AI stocks like Alphabet and Nvidia. Meanwhile, mutual funds increased their positions in semiconductor stocks such as Advanced Micro Devices. Both groups purchased AI infrastructure stocks including American Electric Power and Seagate Technology.
Goldman Sachs identifies 6 stocks popular among hedge and mutual funds for the third quarter: Boeing, Capital One Financial, MasterCard, SpaceX, Thermo Fisher Scientific, and Visa. These stocks have delivered a 29% return year-to-date. Despite market volatility and trading at a premium of 25 times forward earnings, they continue to outperform the S&P 500.
Stock index futures dipped on Monday, with tech stocks feeling the pressure. Donald Trump revealed over 1,000 trades in June, highlighting significant investments in Berkshire Hathaway, Visa, and MasterCard. Goldman Sachs pointed out differing AI stock strategies between hedge funds and mutual funds. Michael Burry moved from Alibaba to JD.com due to concerns about share issuance. Iran discovered a major natural gas field but faces challenges in bringing it to market. Japan's upcoming bond auctions could affect global debt demand, while U.S. Treasury yields remain high at around 4.7%.
CBNI's Asset Solutions has secured a 3-year contract valued between $50 and $100 million for the operations and maintenance of a floating production, storage, and offloading vessel off the coast of Côte d'Ivoire. They will focus on safe operation, maintenance, and compliance while utilizing local resources to enhance asset reliability and certification.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates to keep you ahead in the financial world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.